Hi, it's Tangi from Boots and Beats, and today I'm going to teach you Country Girl Shake. This is a line dance that was written in 2011, so the ending is slightly different. I'm just going to show you how it's danced locally here in Alabama, Tennessee. So, here we go. The first 8 counts, you're going to walk, starting with your right foot, right, left, then you put your right foot forward and shake. Right, left, right. Then you're going to rock, recover with your left, rock, recover, triple step to turn over your left shoulder. Okay, let's go over that again. We're going to go walk, walk, right, left, right, rock, recover, triple step. Now we're going to go the other way. Right, left, right, rock, recover, triple step. Except this time, I'm not going to do a full turn. I'm going to just do a quarter turn over my left shoulder. So let's do that part again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, rock, recover, triple step. Let's put those 2 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, right, rock, recover, triple step, half turn. Walk, walk, right, rock, recover, triple step, quarter turn. Okay, for the third set of 8 counts, we are facing this way and we are going to use our right foot and we're going to cross over the left, right, left, right, and then we're going to cross over the right with your left foot, left, right, left. If you'd like to jump that, you can. Right, left, right, left. Then we're going to stomp right, stomp left, hip, hip. I like to call them ommies, so we're going to do 2 ommies. Right, left, ommy, ommy. Okay? Let's just do that. So we just did a quarter turn, and we're going to do our cross right over left, right, left, ommy, ommy. And we're going to do a heel forward with your right, heel forward with your left, one more to the right, and clap. So it's going to look like this, right, left, right, clap, clap. Now we're going to do a big prep with our right foot. We're going to wind it up, prep backward with your right foot, and do a full turn, turn, and that ends the dance. So to count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where you start the dance over. Your right foot is ready to go. 6, 7, 8, and walk. Walk, right, left, rock, recover, triple, walk, walk, right, left, rock, recover, triple, right, left, ommy, ommy, right, left, wind it up, and turn. Let's do it to count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now that you've learned all 32 counts, let's put them all together. Let's do 4 walls. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.